Just got off work and it's hot and sunny and it's very summery, but I thought I would show you how things are going in the garden and some stuff that I'm working on tonight and in the future. I have a dog here. Oh, hello? Yeah. Alright, let's go. First and foremost, I cut down the bok choy. And I have all these lettuces growing and some sorrel in the back. So I'm going to come out and I'm going to clip some of these soon. But I have another thing to show you. This is a head of lettuce and I'm going to cut it. And it's another goal of mine to cut a whole head of something. The bok choy I only got one of, so this is going to be my first whole head of lettuce. I think this is called Freckles lettuce. Yeah, thank you. I don't need a dog in my face. So I've been using the greenhouse to start more seeds. I have a feeling that something ate my seedlings in the garden because I did have bunnies in there. So I planted yellow squash and zucchini, black zucchini, and none of them came up. So I've got some more types going here. And the same thing with my bush beans. I don't know if maybe there was something in the soil that made it uninhabitable, but I'm trying to get some more of those. And peppers are really not doing so great, so I'm just trying to get the seeds that I have going. But I've got a lot of pole beans, and I've got cucumbers, and I just put some of those out too. I'll show you. Another thing that I'm working on is the greenhouse fan. I had it over here on this side, and the tree that's up here is not letting enough light get to it. So I'm hoping that I can get it to reach one of those poles over there, so it can keep going throughout the day. Right now it only lasts like half the day and it completely drains the battery. So these are the pole beans that I started in the greenhouse that I transferred out a couple days ago, maybe on Monday, Sunday or Monday. And these are called Diva cucumbers. So I have 2 here, and then 2 over here, and then 2 pole beans and 2 pole beans. And the cherry tomatoes that I have in these pots are like going absolutely bonkers. I've had to take suckers off of them twice. These are the chickpeas that I planted. Chickpeas seem to have a really low germination rate because I put probably 6 in here and only 2 came up, and it's the same way for most of these other buckets, so just fair warning on that. I am starting potatoes from potato skins, which is something I saw online, so I put my skins in here and we're gonna see if they're gonna sprout or not. I don't have a whole lot of hopes for them, but we will see what happens. These teeny tiny little things in here are basil, and they are slowly germinating. I did sprinkle marigolds in the back as well, and none of those have come up. I don't think that's a marigold back there. Yeah, those look like weeds. All the tomatoes seem to be doing really well. I'm not 100% sure which tomatoes are where. I've got some over here, and some over here, some over there. And I really did try to keep track of which ones were which, but I think I have failed. Some of these are lovage, and I feel like it's probably these, because it's supposed to be like a parsley, celery type vegetable. The rest are probably weeds, but since I don't really know, I haven't grown this before, I'm avoiding weeding them until I know absolutely sure which ones are which. Look at how cute their little tendrils are. They're so cute. Got a little tiny mushroom. Teeny tiny mushroom. I don't think that's an edible kind, but I'm just saying. I haven't gotten any mushrooms yet, but My raspberries are coming along quite well. I'm excited. This is one I never cut down from last year, but yeah, so all of these little sprouts in here are calendula. So there's going to be a ton of flowers in here, a ton of raspberries, hopefully mushrooms. It's been a few years. I'm not really sure how long they last, but I hope I get another season out of it. This beauty is my grape, and it's been growing for I think 3 years now, and it hasn't made any fruit, but hopefully, maybe this year, something will happen. I'm just helping it find the right place to go. She's tiny, she's cute, and she's gonna go on my nachos. Da 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 da! Success! Hey, this is really cool. Look, a spider has caught a fly. Enjoy your meal.